Today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is relationship between criminology and penology. In this video I will be talking about criminology, definition of criminology, explanation and some important points of criminology. Then we will move towards the penology. We will discuss more about penology and lastly we will talk about the relationship of penology. So without wasting any more time, let's move and talk about criminology. So criminology is a behavior and is a science which talks and which defines about the crime, which deals about the crime, the commitment of crime, why the crime happens, how to prevent the crime and how to treat the offenders. That is basically criminology. Criminology is derived from two Latin words, that is crimen and leges. The meaning of crimen is acquisition and leges means reason. So let's talk about penology. Penology is other science, and as we hear the word penology, we think about the punishment. Yes, we think it right, and penology talks about the punishment after commitment of crime. क्राइम कमिट होने के बाद हम क्रिमिनल्स को कैसे ट्रीट करेंगे, उसको क्या क्या पनिशमेंट्स मिलेगी, वो क्या जेल में जाएंगे, क्या हम उसको प्रिवेंट करेंगे, क्या होगा, that all thing we discuss in penology. So now let's briefly discuss the important factors of criminology. So criminology is a branch of sociology which traditionally examine human behavior, interaction and organization. Criminologist studies the root cause. क्रिमिनोलॉजिस्ट जो होते हैं उसका काम क्या होता है, वो रूट कॉज में जाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि एक क्रिमिनल है वो क्राइम कमिट क्यों करता है, क्राइम कमिट करने के टाइम वो बंदा क्या सोचता है, उसकी मेंटल कंडीशन क्या है क्राइम कमिट करने के टाइम, और उसको हम कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, हाउ कैन वी स्टॉप और हाउ कैन वी make sure that that person does not commit a crime. That are the basic essentials and elements of criminology. So there are many theories in criminology, and broadly categorizing as 4 theories. We'll talk about classical theory, biological theory, psychological theory and sociological theory. पहले हम क्लासिकल थियोरी की बात करते हैं. तो क्लासिकल थियोरी में क्या होता है कि क्रिमिनल बिहेवियर, कि एक पर्सन का बिहेवियर बाय हिज चॉइस, ही इज अ क्रिमिनल, ही हैज डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल कमिट अ क्राइम, ही इज अ क्रिमिनल बाय हिज चॉइस, नो वन हैज फोर्स्ड हिम एंड नो अदर कंडीशंस, स्ट्रेट अवे हिज चॉइस, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज इन अ कैटेगरी ऑफ क्रिमिनल. सेकेंडली, टॉकिंग अबाउट बायोलॉजिकल क्रिमिनल. बायोलॉजिकल क्रिमिनल्स कौन होते हैं? जो बाई बर्थ क्रिमिनल होते हैं. दिस थियोरी वॉज गिवन बाय लॉम्ब्रोसो, हु इज द फादर ऑफ क्रिमिनोलॉजिस्ट. उसने ऐसी चीज दी थी हमको, और ही गेव अस सर्टेन क्लासिफिकेशंस दैट हाउ कैन वी क्लासिफाई एंड हाउ कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई दैट दिस पर्सन इज अ बॉर्न क्रिमिनल. देयर आर सर्टेन कंडीशंस by which we can identify that this person is born criminal, and if a proper situation is given to that person, we can bet that he can effortlessly commit a crime. These persons are called biological criminals. Moving to next category, psychological criminals. Psychological criminals कौन होते हैं? They are the person जो childhood और उसकी अपब्रिंगिंग के वजह से क्रिमिनल्स बनते हैं. उसको बचपन से ही ऐसा माहौल मिलता है और उसको बचपन से ही ऐसा सिखाया जाता है दैट यू हैव टू कमिट क्राइम. दैट्स व्हाई दे बिकम साइकोलॉजिकल क्रिमिनल. उसके माइंड में क्राइम फिक्स कर दिया जाता है, इसलिए वो क्राइम कमिट करते हैं. लास्ट पार्ट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द सोशियोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट. Sociological theory talks about the community and influenced by people, that a person is influenced by the people. वो बचपन से कैसी सोसाइटी में रह रहा है, उससे इन्फ्लुएंस होकर वो क्राइम कमिट करता है, कि उसका आजू बाजू का सराउंडिंग ऐसा है कि वो क्राइम कमिट करता है. सो दैट वाज basics about criminology. Now moving towards penology. Penology क्या है? Punishment. In simple terms, to classify and to summarize, penology is nothing but punishment. This penology word came from a word named punya, that means pain and suffering. And penology basically deals with punishing the offenders, not only punishing the offenders, but it also sees the policies, prohibition of the person who is committing the crime, the medical treatment, if it is required to give a medical treatment to a person who is committing a crime, it is given, education, welfare, and rehabilitation to an offenders. These are the things which is dealt in penology. There are certain principles of penology, that firstly that we examine the ethical base of punishment and motive of punishment, कि उसको ये punishment क्यों दी जाएगी. There is a reason for punishment. So that is a one principle of a penology. Next we make a comparative study. हम study करेंगे और हम study करते हैं कि क्यों इसको ये punishment दी जाती है. So that is other concept. And last is to see the consequences, कि after ये हम उसको punish करते हैं, उसके बाद does the person is all right, or we need to keep him more in custody. So these all things are being dealt in penology. So now let's deal and let's talk about the relationship between criminology and penology. So the relationship between criminology and penology, to be simple, it is like twin sisters. They both are very much dependent upon each other and they cannot sustain without each other. The work of criminology is to investigate the cause that why person commits a crime and find the surroundings in which he is born and brought up. And the work of penology is to put the person into custody, give him preventive measures, and to control the crime. That was the relationship between criminology and penology.